There was once a man who was about to get married the very next day. He lived in the Philippines actually. Him and his wife were both the same age. They were both born around the same date and their parents noticed how close they were to each other when they were born and became friends. They went to the same Sunday school, the same middle school, high school, elementary, you name it. It would ultimately become it would ultimately become inevitable that they'd end up in a relationship. An old woman proceeded to ask him as he went out of his hotel room to look outside and reflect on his life if he really wanted to marry this woman. The man said yes. The man said yes. But then the old woman asked him about dynamics and stuff, and then challenged him, saying that what if he would be uncomfortable? The man said he would be comfortable and would care. The old woman then asked him about her abusive behavior, apparently a secret that only the husband and the closest family members would know. The husband told the old woman that he loves his wife and genuinely cares for her. The woman then asks if possible would he leave her for a better woman, but then the husband says that he simply won't. He loves his wife and that's how it's gonna be. Filipino mythology talks about a demon that attempts to do this to people and split couples and break marriages. Don't fall for them, my friends.